Hello, YouTube. I am Eli the Fatigued. We're playing Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead over on Twitch. And we just got into a bit of a mess that I didn't mean to get into, but I took off my backpack. Well, I took off the backpack. That was actually very smart. That saved a lot of trouble. Fortunately, the security van is now gold and silver. Always nice to have some. Alright, there's the crowd shot back there. Let's just smash everything else real quick. Or even him. Where's the thing on? Oh, there it is. Location bank. Got it. Why can't I? Looks like it's out of ammo. Yep. Yep. Sucks to be him. Meanwhile, I'm gonna rob the vault. Probability trap. Rift tech design. What? What? Sorry, that was probably a bit loud, but what? I doubt I'll be able to craft them because they're super high tech, but that's Rift Tech, right? That's the 40 by tasteless. Okay. Yeah, just randomly going into a bank, didn't even really plan on anything. Found the Rift Tech design specifications. Cool. Alright. Oh. Well, that's... Okay, that's not as cool as I was thinking it was. Come on now. The jet injector, though. That's cool. But that's sad. Sorry, everyone. I freaked out over nothing. It's been a while since I've... Honestly, yeah, it's been a long time since I've played this game through a full playthrough. I apologize for being loud over nothing. forgot you can't really craft weapons in this game. I just like, wait a second. I apologize for that loudness. I just thought it was something really cool and I was wrong. Ooh, Kevlar panel. That's actually useful. Yeah, I just feel, you know. Oatmeal is useful for granola. Should start making some. Probably when we get back to the base. Cool. Oh, so it's just time. Oh, chamomile. Wish stuff wasn't so tedious. I like root beer. Root beer's good. I'm gonna go get my vehicle. I don't have to deal with that crap. I hope I didn't run over the stuff. Probably my backpack. Oh yeah, it destroyed several items. Hopefully that wasn't... Oh, hard arm guards are falling apart. Soldering iron. Heck, it's down. Windows, you better not be being dumb. Hang on a sec, y'all. I don't know why it's doing that. The CPU and everything is less than like... Oh, I see what's going on the metal tanks. There we go. Metal tanks will come in handy. Somehow or another. Yeah, my CPU and everything is less than 60%, so I don't know what's causing that lag, except for maybe CDDA being CDDA. I don't know. Let's continue on and not get distracted anymore. Gotta get to that garage, find out that there's no welder there, so I have to go and make the welder myself. Fine. Want to go straight and second left. Great, a zombie got in the vehicle. Also, I saw guard. What? They're NPCs. There's a lot of zombies, that's for sure. Holy crap. Yeah, there's NPCs. They're definitely dead. Oh, it's like a vehicle, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that's just the shocker zombie. For some reason I thought it was something else. Another one of those crap garages. I should never have come here. I regret everything. Will this take me straight south out of here? No. The guards and the bandits are fighting while zombies are chewing their faces. Okay. Alright, this one takes me south out of here. Hey, squeeze through it. Everyone will be looking for solar vehicles for the storage batteries. And we are out. Whew. Sounds are scary. I will admit, I may have the spawn rate up higher than default. Because I enjoy a scary zombie craziness. I don't think zombies should be fast, but I believe that there should be a lot of them. Out of there. 5 metal tanks, 60 liters. That was fun. Let's not do that again for a while. Antiseptic. Got a lot of antiseptics, which is good. Yeah, let's not do that for a while. That was nutballs. Alright. Making Getting 2 of them requires more power. Fair enough. Duct tape. I still have a ton of crap on me, don't I? Yeah. Let's get rid of some of that crap. Now, sort of. YouTube, time to end the episode. Thank you for joining us. I've been Eli the Fatigued. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you've enjoyed any dimension of this episode. It really does support the channel a lot. It helps the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.